Hey, you can get yourself into a world of trouble if you do talk. You can get yourself into a world of trouble if you do talk. Pillows release information that will get your ass into a jam. So these is a hiccup. When you hiccup in a conversation, they're almost like bug microphones. And they scream out and yell out things that they shouldn't. A lot of times they think it's sex in the bed when anybody's listening through the window. But what they don't really realize is just talking. That's all it is. So this sex stuff is an overrated concept when it comes to blaming me for it. I do think sex would be great, especially if it was in a situation that was good. That would be really nice, wouldn't it? I mean, if you could be in a monogamous relationship, you and one person, and y'all faithful and honest and faithful. If trust could be a real word and not rust. In the beginning, there's happiness, joy, ecstasy. What happens to it? It disappears like dust on a table at a crack house. Poof. So these things here, they talk. Is it sex in the bed? Ask these. Right now, their color is green like money. See what they say. And whatever information y'all get out of these here, please let me know.